Looking to build the best $600 gaming PC for 2024? Let's do it in under a minute. First up, the CPU AMD Ryzen 5 5600 for $154. A 6-core powerhouse for great gaming performance. Next, the motherboard MSIB for 50 Tomahawk Max for $90. Graphics AMD Radeon RX 6600 for around $236. Great 1080p gaming for the price, smooth frame rates on all your favorite games. At 16GB of Corsair Vengeance LP XDDR4 for $35. Storage 1TB M to PCIe Gen 4.0 SSD. Snappy load times and $71. Case and power supply MSI Mega 550B and PSU for $40 combined. Best budget build for 2024.